In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email using Insightly CRM. To get started, log into your Insightly CRM account. Before you try to send anything, make sure your email account is already connected inside Insightly. This is important because Insightly sends messages through a connected mailbox, such as Gmail, Outlook, or another supported provider. You can check this by going to User Settings, then Email Accounts, and confirming that your account is connected properly. Once that's set up, go to either the Contact section or the Lead section, depending on who you want to email. From there, open the specific contact or lead record you want to work with. This ensures your message stays connected to the right person inside the CRM, which is helpful for keeping communication organized. Inside that record, click Actions, then choose Email this contact or Email this lead. A compose window will open where you can start preparing your message. First, enter or confirm the recipient's email address. If you have more than one email account connected to Insightly, be sure to choose the correct from address so the message is sent from the right mailbox. Next, add your email subject. Keep it clear and relevant so the recipient immediately understands the purpose of the message. Then write your email in the message body. If you want to make the message more personalized, you can use insert fields to automatically pull in information from the contact or lead record. This can save time and make your email feel more tailored. If you already have a saved template you want to use, select it from the template dropdown. Templates are especially useful for common follow-ups or outreach messages because they help keep your communication consistent. If you need to include a file, click Browse and attach it. Just keep in mind that attachments can be up to 25 megabytes per message. Before sending, use the preview option to review the email carefully. This is a good time to check the subject line, the message content, any personalization fields, and your attachment. When everything looks right, click Send to send the email immediately. If your Insightly plan supports scheduling, you can click Schedule instead, then choose the date and time you want the message to go out. Scheduled emails are available on Plus, Professional, and Enterprise plans. After the email is sent, Insightly automatically saves it and links it to the relevant lead or contact record. If you ever want to review what you sent, go to Emails and then My Sent Emails, where you can find your sent messages.